Today we will show you how to replace the weather cap on your Edge cycling computer. For this video we will use an Edge 840, but the process is similar for all Edge models. You will need your Phillips 00 screwdriver and a replacement weather cap kit, which includes a replacement weather cap, screw, and retainer. First, use the screwdriver to remove the existing screw under the weather cap. Next, remove the screw, retainer, and existing weather cap. Tip over the edge to release any broken off material inside from the original weather cap. Place the new retainer clip onto the new weather cap's rubber anchor. Then insert the screw. Insert the newly assembled weather cap back into the port. Use the screwdriver to insert and tighten the new screw. And that's it! You have now replaced the weather cap. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.